Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Fozia Said and welcome to my channel Biology Expert. Here is the learning outcomes. First, what is Pangea, and then origin of concept, evidence of existence, rifting and breakup, tectonic plate shift, life, climatic changes after Pangea, and at the end we will discuss the implication of extinction. Before starting the lecture, I want to show you the world map. Here you can see the present location of different continents and ocean. Directions are also given in the slide: east, west, north, south. Our planet is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans, and these 7 continents are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. While there are the small islands surrounding these main continents that people live on. And these small continents at the south of the Africa, there is a small landmass. You can see in the diagram there is a small landmass that is Madagascar. And most of the world population live on one of the 7 continents. The 7 continents divided by the 5 oceans, and 5 oceans are also shown in the figure, that is Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. And Atlantic Ocean divides the world into 2 parts. There were not always 7 continents. The 7 continents on the planet Earth were once all connected with one another. Around 175 million years ago, there was the single supercontinent known as Pangea. Over a million of years, the shifting of tectonic plates broke the Pangea up to 7 pieces. That shifting into the current position, plates are still moving, but its movement is so slow and can be measured only by the research equipments. And Pangea was a supercontinent that existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic era, and it resembles from the earlier continental units approximately 335 million years ago, and it begins to break apart 175 million years ago. In contrast to the present Earth and its distribution of the continental mass, Pangea was centered on equator and surrounded by the super ocean Panthalassa and 2 minor supercontinents, Laurasia and Gondwana. As you can see in the figure, there is a river that is surrounded these landmass Pangea. Both sides are covered by the Panthalassa Ocean. And there is a 2 minor continent, that is Laurasia and Gondwana. Pangea is the most recent supercontinent to have existed and the first to be reconstructed by the geologist. And the name Pangea is derived from the ancient Greek, and this word is the combination of the 2 words. The first one is Pange, mean all, entire, whole, and Gea, mean land. The concept that the continents once formed a contiguous landmass was first proposed by the Alfred Wegener, the originator of the scientific theory of the continental drift. In his 1912 publication, and the name of that publication is The Origin of Continents. He expanded upon his hypothesis in his 1915 book, The Origin of the Continents and Ocean, in which he postulated that before breaking up and drifting to their present location, all the continents had formed a single supercontinent that he called Ur continent. And the Alfred Wegener doesn't given these land masses the name of Pangea. Pangea name is given later on. At that time, he used the word Ur continent for this landmass. Fossil evidence for Pangea include the presence of the similar and identical species on the continents that were now great distance apart. Now if we talk about the present location of the Earth, some continents are at great distance, but there is identical species were present in these continents. For example, fossils of the Therapsid Listosaurus have been found in South Africa, India and Antarctica alongside members of the Glossopteris flora, whose distribution would have ranged from the polar circle to the equator if continents have been their present position. Similarly, Freshwater reptile Mesosaurus have been found in only the localized region of the coast of the Brazil and West Africa. Additional evidences of the Pangea is found in the geology of the adjacent continents, including the matching geological trends between the eastern coast of the South America and western coast of the Africa. The polar ice caps of the Carboniferous periods covered the southern end of the Pangea. Glacial deposit specifically till of the same age and structure are found on many separate continents that would have been together in the continent of Pangea.